Hello everyone, this is Vandita. Welcome to my channel. I am Crocheting Vandita Batra. Today's video I am going to show you this beautiful pattern. This is reversible pattern and this is very fast going pattern. You can use this pattern in shawls, cardigans especially. So let's start. For this pattern I am using this 3-ply wool. With this I am using 5 number crochet, which is 3.00 mm, and with this we need a scale. This design is multiple of 5 chains, so I am making 30 chains for this sample. You can start with a slip knot, or you can start like this also. Chain 1, 2, 3. I'm making 30 chains. And after that make 1 chain extra for starting. Skip very first chain and make a single crochet in the second chain. After single crochet we will stretch this ring here. Now I will add this scale and stretch this wool to match the size of this scale like this. Now in second chain make again single crochet and do the same. Make a big ring of the wool like this. In third chain like this. In next chain we will do the same. We need big ring of one size, that's why we are using this scale. We will get us exact same size big rings of wool. We'll do the same till the end of this chain. I have completed my first round. These rings should be 30. Now it's time to remove our scale. Turn over. Now take 5 rings, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In 5 rings we'll make a single crochet like this, and again make second single crochet, and we'll make 6 double crochet total from the rings. Last 6. Now our first twist ring is ready. Now for the second, again take 5 rings and make a single crochet. This is first single crochet, this is second single crochet, this is third, 4, 5, and in last 6. For the next, take 5 rings, make first single crochet and 5 more to complete this ring. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. For the next, take 5 chain, single crochet 1, second single crochet, third, 4, 5th, and 6th. For the next, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. In last, we have left 5 rings. Again, we will make 6 single crochet into this ring. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Here my second round is also completed now. For the next round, we will make big rings again, and we will use the scale here again. From the second chain, we will start to make up big rings on a scale. Please keep count your rings. They should be 30 or and this is, I have 5 rings on the scale. Now skip this 6th chain, and from the second chain we will start again to make big rings on a scale. Second, third, 4, and 5. After 5 rings, skip 6th chain, and from the next chain start to make again big rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, skip the next chain, and from the first chain of the next ring, make 5 big rings on a scale. We will do the same till the end of this round. I have completed my third round, or I have all my big rings now. Now it's time to remove the scale. Turn over. Take 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and make 1 chain and make 5 single crochet. Continue 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now take 5 rings again and make single crochet like this, and 5 single crochet more. 3, 4, 5 and 6 total. One, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We will repeat the same pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total 6. We will do the same till the end of this round. Here my 2 patterns round, or total 4 rounds, is completed now. I will repeat the same process to make this twist design. You can see the back side also. I have made my 4 rounds of this pattern. I hope you like this video, so please don't forget to give a like my video and share with your friends and family, and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Keep watching.